Okay, for today's Surfboards.com behind the scenes footage, we are picking, packing, and shipping a Rip Curl watch going to Barry in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. If you'd like to see your order picked, packed, and shipped, just send us an email. That's all you got to do, and we'll pick, pack it, and make a video out of it. So Barry, let's go get your Rip Curl watch. It's in bin A1A4B. Okay, that's actually an upper. Let's go grab it. When I say it's an upper, meaning I can't grab it by hand, I got to use one of our wave vehicles to grab it. So let's drive it on over. You might be able to see that from there, but it's A1A4B. So your watch, Barry, should be in this bin. 000. Let's see. I think that's it right there. When the pick tickets come off the line every morning, they are actually arranged in order. So if we're picking up, it'll take all of them right down the line in one fell swoop. Well, same for if we're picking from our feet or down here, it'll just, the next one will be the next bin over. You don't have to go here and there and all around the square to get the day's orders picked. It's just right in order, very seamless. This one, just because we're doing one, I could come and just grab it all by itself, but normally that wouldn't happen. Let's check my pick. We use the scanners to double check the UPCs on items. Green means I picked the right watch for you, Barry. Our watches ship in boxes. That box is bigger than we'd like to use. I'm sitting here on Angie's pack station. I don't exactly know where she put the right size box, but there it is. I'm scanning the barcode on the pick ticket so the computer knows what order we're dealing with. Now I'm asking the computer to weigh the item and get us a shipping rate. It got us a shipping rate, and so now I'm asking the computer to print the shipping label. And it should print anytime now. Barry, it's been about a year since I've been to South Carolina. You're a lucky man. I like South Carolina. It'll take probably 3 days to get to South Carolina. So that'd be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I'd expect it in your mailbox probably by Wednesday. Okay, thanks a lot for your order, Barry.